This is the VLAN topology, which is activity 4, and then this is topology diagram. H7, host 7 to 9 is a VLAN 200, and host 4 to host 6 is VLAN 300. The learning objective is use the Python to build a VLAN topology mininet and then virtualize using Open Daylight user interface. After that, I provide two solutions. One is using the Belerium version and another, which is Bolon version, to create a VTN. In this scenario, I will use Belerium version, but I also provide a solution for the Boron version as well. After that, test the connection between VLAN and host to match expected output. This is the scenario. And then after that, task 1 is about configure the VLAN topology, which I will explain how it works. Basically, just import the API, and then this is the package check start to check whether the VLAN is installed. If it's not installed, then come up with the sudo apt-get install VLAN. After that, this is the VLAN host. After that, inside the class topology is about adding all the hosts, which is specify the VLAN ID. After that, you can add 3 switches. And lastly, you add the link between the host and the switch. And the name of topology is called simple VLAN. And then let's run this. This is the IP address of the Open Daylight. So as you can see, successfully injected into the Open Daylight user interface. So let's have a look. So this is how it works. After that, I will do a ping all. As you can see, it's successfully ping, and after that, visualize using Open Daylight. So this is how it's look like. So what I want to do now is to install the VTN and implement it. As the VTN is installed, you can able to use the component. This is the VTN configuration, and this is the username, which is the user, and the password and content type application can be JSON or XML. And this is the post method, which want to post to the URI of this configuration, which is inject to the Open Daylight, which have the description of the input, which is tenant name and VTN. So what this does is to add one tenant with it. So let's try to run it. So I paste this command into the Open Daylight terminal. And then the output status is created, which means the name is created. So let's implement the bridge as well. As you can see, its configuration is successfully created as well. After that, implement this VLAN map. It shows that the map ID is 200, which is the VLAN ID. After that, you create a second bridge. You put the second VLAN map into this. What this does is to create a VLAN 300 and put into the bridge 2. To verify it, you can use the get method here. Get the method from this URI. And then as you can see, this is the VTNN one. And then there's a VLAN ID of 200. And then the name of the bridge 1, VLAN ID 300. The bridge line, the bridge name 2. So this is the expected output. On the other hand, I also provide the configuration VTN for the Thorough version. So if someone downloaded the OpenDaylight with a Thorough version, if they want to implement the VTN, they can able to use this command, curl command as well, the URI. The differences is the URI is slightly different than the Ballerine version. Thank you for the presentation.